Have you ever wondered what shapes our moral reasoning? Imagine standing at the crossroads of religion and ethics. This video will guide you through how morality and ethics intertwine in religious contexts. Religious life revolves around moral thought and practice. Every tradition provides norms, stories, and role models, influencing moral identity. Psychology adds another dimension, exploring how moral reasoning evolves, how emotions like guilt and shame function, and how virtues like compassion develop. Let's explore key concepts in this complex web. First, consider moral development theories. Lawrence Kohlberg proposed stages of moral reasoning. We begin from obedience and punishment, progressing to social order maintenance, then to universal ethical principles. In many religious contexts, following doctrines reflects conventional reasoning. Mature religious thinking transcends this, focusing on human dignity. Now, on to Gilligan's ethics of care. Carol Gilligan argued that moral reasoning should emphasize care and relationships. In religious communities, this care-based approach manifests as acts of ministry and support. Next, we examine virtue ethics. This framework highlights character traits and moral habits over mere rule following. In faiths worldwide, virtues like compassion, humility, and courage take center stage. Psychological research shows how these traits develop through social learning and practice. Now let's talk about psychological constructs, particularly guilt and shame. Guilt is linked to specific actions and encourages reparative behavior. Shame, on the other hand, can lead to isolation. Religious views shape how these emotions manifest, impacting healing or fostering rumination. Forgiveness and reconciliation explore personal change and relationship restoration. Religion often provides rituals and teachings to facilitate forgiveness, aiding psychological recovery. Moral injury arises when one's actions conflict with personal moral codes. While prevalent in military contexts, it also affects caregivers and everyday individuals. Religious frameworks can intensify moral injury but also offer healing through community support. The interplay of theology, social work, psychology, and business makes this topic vital. Theology offers the foundation for moral teachings, while social work navigates ethical dilemmas across cultures. In business, moral leadership shapes corporate responsibility, blending religious virtues with modern ethics. Practical applications arise from these intersections. Religious institutions focus on character development through educational programs. Restorative justice initiatives emphasize accountability, fostering healing rather than punishment. In organizations, ethical decision-making merges various reasoning approaches for comprehensive solutions. Yet, challenges exist. Conflicts between religious doctrines and secular ethics often arise, necessitating sensitive negotiation. Moral absolutism versus contextual ethics creates tension. Some faiths insist on absolute rules, while psychology explores nuance and context. Cultural variation also impacts moral priorities, emphasizing different values across traditions. Practitioners must recognize these variations rather than impose a singular moral framework. Looking ahead, research should integrate various approaches to moral psychology. Longitudinal studies could reveal how religious involvement shapes moral development throughout life. Evaluative intervention research can assess the impact of programs designed to cultivate virtues and address moral dilemmas. In summary, understanding morality and ethics in religious contexts involves a blend of doctrines, community practices, and psychological insights. Theories on moral development, virtue ethics, and constructs such as guilt and moral injury enhance our grasp of religious influence on ethical living. Collaboration among theologians, psychologists, and social leaders enriches these discussions, promoting moral growth amidst ethical complexities. If you found this video insightful, subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button and comment on your thoughts. Let's keep exploring how faith shapes our values together.